Hello, doggers. In this video, we're going to talk about place values. Place values are very important in organizing your numbers so you know exactly which number you're talking about. Today, we'll only go up to 100. But as you know, you can go to a million, a billion, a trillion. You can go all kinds of numbers. Well, we won't only go to 100 today. All right, let's take a look at this number right here. 555. 555. That number is 555. Now, they're all fives, but they each hold a different place and a different value. So that's what we want to figure out today. I put them in different colors so you could see that they're in different places. All right, let's take a look at how place value works. All right, we've all seen these single numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We know it's 1 cupcake, 3 zebras, 6 automobiles, 9 kids at school. All right, one single number. Now, once we get down to the 9 and we add one more, now we have 10. 10 does not fit because, as you know, 10 is a 2-digit number. So we can't put it in this column anymore. So what we do is add it to the tens column. Yeah, we simply do the numbers again, but now that it's in this place, these numbers have a different meaning. Over here, 1 is just single 1. Over here, 110 equals 10 ones. There's a bundle of 10 of them. 2 tens equals 21, see? And 5 tens actually equals 51s. So the 5 is the same as it is over here, but because it's in a different place, we give it a different value. We have a ones column and we have a tens column. Now, let's take a look at the number 55. 5 tens and 5 ones. But because they're in certain places, we have 55. Now, we always start on the right-hand side in the ones column, then we go over to the tens column. But, as you will see, once we get down to 9 and add one more set of 10, we all of a sudden have a problem again. Now it's a 2-digit number, it doesn't fit into our tens column, and so therefore we have to do the same thing we did over here, which is start a new column. That's right. Now we go over to the next column to the left, and it's the hundreds column. All right? Here, a 5 means 5 ones. Here, a 5 means 50 ones. Here, a 5 means 500 ones. All right? Now, if you look at the number 500, it means 500s, no tens, no ones. All right? And they're in certain places, and that tells us what the value of those items are, those numbers are. All right, let's take a look at this number 555. This 5 equals 500. This 5 equals 50. And this 5 equals 5, just plain 5. So the place that you put the numbers is very important. 5 by itself is 5 ones. If I stick another number to the left of it, now I have a new place, so I have 5 tens and 5 ones. And if I stick another number next to that, now I have another new place, and that equals 5 hundreds, 5 tens, and 5 ones. All right, place value. Let's practice that a little bit. 209. Well, that's an interesting number. It means I have 2 hundreds, but I don't have any tens. I have 0 tens. And that's what the 0 is for in math, boys and girls. When you put a 0 in a place, it tells everybody, there's nothing here, but I need to put a 0 in there so you don't think that it's a different number. If you take that 0 out of there and the 9 slip over, you're going to think that's number 29, and that's not what the number is. So we put a 0 in there to hold that place with no value so that you will know, actually, it's 200, 0 tens, and 9 ones. Zeros are very important in mathematics. All right, let's do it again. 915. Now, before I click on this, you figure out what the 9, the 1, and the 5 represent. And I'll bet you said there are 9 hundreds, there's 1 10, there's 5 ones. I'll bet you said that. All right, let's take a look at another one. Oh, look at that. This is the simple number 64. All right? Now, there are no hundreds, but if there are no hundreds to the left, then we don't have to put a 0 there. All right? This is plain old 64. which represents 0 hundreds, but we don't really say that because we already know the place value is tens and ones, so we don't have to put a 0 out there. 6 tens and 4 ones. All right, place value, very important to get them in the right place. Otherwise, people might think you are intending to have a different number. Understanding place value to 100. I think you can do it now. 5 simple ones. 55. 5 tens, 5 ones. 555. 5 hundreds, 5 tens, 5 ones. All right, I think you can do place values now.